Vivo V17 Pro India launch date is finally officially here. The Vivo V17 Pro will launch in India on September 20. The smartphone will be big on cameras. Vivo has been teasing the Vivo 17 Pro for a long time now. On Tuesday, Vivo India officially launched the launch date of the Vivo V17 Pro. The Vivo V17 Pro will launch in India on September 20. The teaser confirms dual front cameras of the Vivo V17 Pro. The smartphone will come with dual selfie camera. With the teaser, the company also confirms that the Vivo V17 Pro will include 32MP primary selfie camera on the front. For now, there are no details of the second selfie camera. However, rumors suggest that the V17 Pro will come with 2MP depth selfie shooter. Ahead of the launch, the complete specs of the Vivo V17 Pro have been revealed by rumors and leaks. The leak suggests the Vivo V17 Pro will come with 6.59-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display. The phone is said to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor that also powers the processor V15 Pro. In fact, the Vivo V15 Pro was the first smartphone in the world to come with Snapdragon 675 chipset. The V17 Pro is said to come paired up with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The Vivo V17 Pro is said to come with 4100 mAh battery. Rumors and leaks suggest that the Vivo V17 Pro will be big on cameras. The Vivo V17 Pro will come with 4 cameras on the back panel and 2 cameras on the front. As far as the specs are concerned, the Vivo V17 Pro is expected to come with 48MP primary camera, secondary camera will use 8MP image sensor, third will be a 2MP sensor while the fourth one will be a 2MP image sensor. On the front, the V17 Pro will include 32MP primary sensor shooter and the second camera will use 2MP image sensor. For now, there is no information about the Vivo V17 Pro India price. Most Vivo V series Pro smartphones in the past have been priced under Rs 30,000 price segment. It is expected that Vivo will follow the same pricing strategy for the upcoming V17 Pro as well. The predecessor Vivo V15 Pro launched in India with a starting price of Rs 28,990.